Hey everybody, this is Michael with Earth-Based Institute, and I wanted to just share some thoughts I have about our connection to nature and the effect, the stress reduction effect that connecting to nature can have on our nervous systems. And I like to start this process with this idea, this practice that we use at EBI that we call surround sound, which is really listening in all directions around us, like in a 360-degree awareness. And what's interesting about that is that something shifts when you start to really tune in and pay attention to your surroundings. There's something that shifts internally. And I want to invite you to give it a try so you can see what that shift feels like for you. But the reason why I'm recording this out here at this time is because I actually want you to hear the sounds that are going on around me. You're going to hear the jays and other birds that might be really loud at this time. It's just evening right now. It's about 8:15 at night. And you might hear cars driving around on the road behind me. And you know, these sounds, there's always some kind of distracting sound that's happening or sensory input that's happening around us, whether it's our phone or our kids or something else that's going on in our surroundings that's kind of pulling our attention. And that pull on our attention and our awareness really starts to create a high level of stress in our system. And so what we want to try to do with our awareness skills is make the choice to start to listen out beyond what is causing our focus and what is pulling on our focus and attention. So that's the point of the surround sound, is really starting to listen out in all directions, in front of you, behind you, below you, above you, all around, and really reaching out with your awareness. And what you end up finding is that you might start to tune into other senses, like your sense of touch and feeling the air on your skin. You might start to notice sense and taste in the air and so forth. And with your eyes open, you might even relax and go into a very wide angle, soft gaze, as opposed to focusing on what's right in front of you, but instead starting to really open up to everything that's going on around you. And again, it's that reaching out beyond what is happening right in front of you. So when we're doing this, we're also tuning into the present moment. So yes, there is the jays that's happening and the other loud noises that are occurring, but what else is happening right now in this present moment that I'm aware of? So I want to invite you to practice this. And I want to say that you probably want to give yourself maybe like 15 to 30 seconds, a minute maybe, of concentration on the sounds beyond the immediate, or the sensory input that's beyond just the immediate area around you, and start to notice what happens internally for your nervous system as you do that. For me, it's a real stress reduction. Spend so much time focusing on what's happening right in front of me all the time, with work or with my kids or something like that, that taking that little moment to kind of disconnect from that, what's happening right there in front of me, and tuning in to more of my environment, and it really creates a relaxing state within. So give that a try. Let us know how it works for you, and hopefully that is helpful. Thank you.